am also fine here. Today at Thaazpassion, let us prepare a ghee rice. I am going to show you easy method. I am taking for this 1 kg jeera rice. It should be soaked in water for half an hour. I have already fried onion, cashews and raisins. I have taken 1 onion and fried with the 2 tablespoons of ghee. And in the same ghee, fry cashews and raisins. We need some whole spices for this. For that, I have taken cinnamon sticks, cloves, bay leaf, cardamom and biryani leaf. Let's get started. Heat the pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee into it. When it gets hot, add the whole spices into it. Now saute for a minute. For this ghee rice, I am using jeera rice. You can use basmati rice also, but same method you have to follow. Soak the rice before preparing. Drain the rice and add the rice into this ghee and fry for 2 minutes. As we are frying this rice in the ghee, it will not get sticky when it is cooked. This is the easiest method of preparing ghee rice. We'll be posting the other method also. After 2 minutes, let us add hot water into it. I am using 6 glasses of hot water as I am taking 4 glasses of rice. Add enough salt and cook till the water dries up. Not completely get dried, till it dries 3/4. Now the water getting dry. So let's switch the flame into low and let's give a good mix. Now add the fried onions, cashews and raisins. I am also using coriander leaf for this. This is optional. If you want, you can use, or else you can skip this. Now add chopped coriander leaf on the top of it. This gives good flavor and good aroma when you open the lid. Now cover with foil paper and cook in a low flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our yummy ghee rice is ready. This recipe is good for beginners also. As we are frying the rice before, it won't get sticky. Serve this rice with your favorite curry. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for the next updates. Thanks for watching.